everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Zinspilot online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice to get started. In the URL box, type in banking.zinspilot.de and press enter on a keyboard to end up in the official web page. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this interface where it says enter your login details now. To access your online banking account, go ahead and type in your email address associated with your account in the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. After filling in both of your text boxes, click the login button in order to log in and access to Zinspilot online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.